Dear students, hope you fine. Today I'll give you the summary of poem 5, A Legend of the Northland by Phoebe Carey, and then I'll discuss answers to the questions given in the textbook. Summary of poem 5, A Legend of the Northland by Phoebe Carey. A Legend of the Northland by Phoebe Carey discusses how greed ruins a person. The poetess starts by describing the Northland as a place where the days are short and the nights are long. When it snows, the people harness the reindeer to the sledges and the children look like bears' cubs in their furry clothes. The poetess narrates a story about Saint Peter and an old lady. Though she does not believe the legend, the poet thinks that it might teach us a lesson or two. The legend goes as follows. Saint Peter came to the door of a little cottage where a woman was making cakes. He felt dizzy because he hadn't eaten anything. He asked her for a cake. The woman made a small cake. But as she was about to bake it, she thought that it's too large to be given away. The size of the cake got smaller and smaller, but it always appeared too big to the woman. She baked a cake as thin as a wafer, but kept it back on her shelf. She said to herself that the cake seems too small when she eats herself, but too large when she gives it away. Saint Peter grew angry and called her selfish. He said that from now she will build like the birds do, pecking dry, hard wood. The old man flew through the chimney and became a woodpecker. Everything she was wearing was burned except the scarlet cap. The poet concludes the poem by saying that every country schoolboy has seen her in the wood where she lives in the trees boring for food. Message conveyed by the poem. When people come to us for help and we are in a position to help them, we should do so. This is the main message given by the story. Saint Peter goes to a cottage and asks a woman for food. The woman refuses to share even a small amount of food. The woman could have easily offered a little food to the saint, but because of selfishness, she refuses to do so. So the saint feels that the woman is not worthy of living as a human being. He curses her and makes her a woodpecker. So the message of welcoming our guests and being nice to them is emphasized here. Now I will discuss the answers to the questions. First one, which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? Answer, it is one of the countries close to the North Pole. It is extremely cold in winter. Second one, what did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Answer, Saint Peter asked the lady for a piece of cake. The lady behaved miserly and kept changing the size of the cake. At last, she did not give him anything to eat. Question number 3. How did he punish her? Answer, he punished the lady by changing her into a woodpecker. Fourth one, how does the woodpecker get her food? Answer, the woodpecker bores the hard and dry wood to get its food. Saint Peter felt that the woman did not deserve a comfortable life. So due to the curse of the saint, the woman becomes a woodpecker and starts boring the wood to find insects. Question number 5. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? Answer, no, she would not have done this. Instead, she would have given him a large piece of cake to make him happy with the greed to get a handsome return. Question number 6. Is this a true story? Which part of the poem do you feel is the most important? Answer, no, this is not a true story. It is a legend. I feel that the 10th stanza of the poem is the most important. This is because the punishment meted out to the old lady tells us about the values of charity and generosity. Question number 7. What is a legend? Why is this poem called a legend? Answer. A legend is a story from ancient times about people and events. The title of the poem tells us that it is a legend. It tells us a story with a moral. Question number 8. Write the story of a legend of the Northland in about 10 sentences. Answer. This story goes back to very old days. Once St. Peter stopped by an old cottage as he was feeling hungry and weak due to fasting. He saw a little woman baking cakes on the hearth. He asked her for a cake. She made a small cake for him. While it was baking, she found it too large to be given away. Then she made another. It was as thin as a wafer, but even the smallest of cakes seemed too large to her. She put the cakes on her shelf. This greedy behavior of the lady annoyed the saint who was hungry. He said that the woman was too selfish to live in a human form and enjoy the basic necessity of life without sharing her good fortune with others. He cursed her, and thus she was transformed into a woodpecker. He would get her food by boring the hard wood of trees. Now she lives in a forest, and every country schoolboy is said to have seen her boring into wood for food till date. That's all today, students. Write these question answers and summary in your classwork notebook. Thank you very much.